In today's video, I'll show you a quick guide on how you'd be able to create AI girls for Instagram model. So let's get started. So first is that I suggest that you use Leonardo.ai. So go into app.leonardo.ai on your browser. And from here, you want to go into image. So we'll be generating an image of our AI model. And first things first is that you would want to go here into model and preset. I suggest you go for a cinematic Kino. So this is the one I recommend for creating your images for your model, and I think they are very realistic. Next is that you want to go for style. You can go for cinematic. This is also what I recommend, but you could also go with other styles if needed. Right there. And next is that we have the contrast. You can go for either medium or high. And then you could go for the generation. You can go for quality. This is what I suggest, but this is a much more expensive feature. And this also requires a premium feature right here. So one of the paid plans in here. So yeah, you would have to track your credits for this because it will cost higher than the fast version right here. This might have lesser quality, but still it's a great mode to use. Next is the image dimensions. So if you're using Instagram, then you could go for 1:1 or 2:3, depending on which one you prefer. But usually, I think 1:1 is the best one for Instagram. And from here, you can go for small, medium, or large. I recommend large, but this is a premium feature, so you would need to get a paid plan. And then next is that you can go for the number of images. So for this one, you can just go for one, just so that you can save credits and avoid unnecessary generations of the images that you don't need. And then after you have done that, you want to type out the prompt. So this is the first prompt of your model. So you want to make sure that you include all the details or the facial features, the characteristics, the body features, or whatever it is you'd want to be your model's characteristic. So make sure to type it all right here and click here on generate. In that way, if you're satisfied with the result, then if you would want to use that as your model for your Instagram, then what you'd need to do is that you should see something like this as your result. You want to click here on the three dots on the right side, click on copy seed, and basically when you generate a new photo by using that character, by typing out the prompt in here for your next photo, is that you want to go make sure to set your seed here in the advanced settings. So make sure to enable use fixed seed and just paste the seed. So basically this seed is your unique ID for your character here that you have generated in Leonardo.ai. In this way, it will be as similar as possible when you generate a prompt, and the character that will be used is the one that has the seed right here from where you have copied this. So yeah, this is the best way for you to create your AI model here in Instagram so that it will all be consistent and looking the same thing. But if you would want better result, then I suggest is that you want to click here on the image icon, and then you can go for character reference. And basically you just need to put in a picture right here as a reference, and then Leonardo AI would create a photo out of that reference photo. So in that way, you'd be able to get consistent character each time. And next is if you want an even more accurate or consistent generation, then what I suggest is by going back, go into models and training. And in here, basically, you want to click on train new model and click on character right here so that you'd be able to train the AI to use this character. So click here on next, and you can go for a new database, or you could just select an existing database right here, but I recommend creating a new one. And from here, you would need to add assets. So you just need to import a lot of photos of your character AI model in Instagram so that when you generate a content or photo here again in Leonardo.ai, is that you will just need to select this model, and basically you will have consistent AI character model each time. So yeah, this is basically it on how you could do this for Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.